looking at? Toucans. And then Daddy's talking to a vó. Vovó? Aonde? Tem vovó? Cadê vovó? Vó, cadê? Cadê vovó?
Você e a vovó?
Você e a vovó? Cadê vovó? Cadê vovó? You want to say hi? Hello? Hello? Got a stick? I knew you would grab a stick soon. Pretty cool toucans, papagaios, araras. Yeah, you say arara? You're a papagaio. Say papagaio. Papagaio.
What if it gets me?
If it bites you, it's not going to bite you. It's in a cage.
And what if I put my finger to it?
Well, why would you put your finger in there?
I don't know, how would it hurt?
Like this. Ouch, that hurt.
Because they have sharp feet.
Let's go see the...
Hey, there's three.
There's three? Where's the other one?
When I didn't see what it was, I was like, what? A kid screaming?
I thought it was kids screaming.
Me too.
Yeah, there's one up there.
This is the loud one. Yeah? Oh, yeah! There's two up there.
Yeah, I forgot.
This is the loudmouth over here, though.
Then I'm gonna go eat with that.
Okay, ciao. Let's go.
I call them Pito.
You want to go say hi, bye to the araras?
You.
That's too sweet.
You make
There's roosters over there.
Ciao, araras.
Ciao, arara. It's like yelling at us. Vovó! Julia, this way. Okay, go ahead. Tackle that hill. Let's see that. You got boots on. It's all easy. Whoa! Mm-hmm. Yep. A hedgie. It's called a hedgie.